Welcome to this lightning tour of Slooh's best-in-class observational astronomy platform that integrates space education into a standards-aligned curriculum to engage, delight and inspire students to learn astronomy using Slooh's live telescope network. This is the dashboard, which includes links to all the key areas of the platform. It includes our upcoming celestial events hosted by Slooh's experts and educators, status and links to the live telescopes that students control to capture data for their Quest learning activities. Students can see their upcoming and past missions, which are 5 or 10-minute periods during which they've chosen the target for a specific telescope. Students can view their quests here. Quests are curriculum-aligned, gamified learning activities designed to inspire students to learn science and prepare for careers in space. The Photos section contains all the images they've captured. These are snapped from the live telescope feeds or automatically saved here from the missions they've scheduled or joined. Students share observations with classmates and the broader student community, although you have full control over your privacy settings, so you can limit their socialization outside of the classroom. Quest learning activities are the foundation of Slooh's cosmic classroom. K-12 students use Slooh's telescope network of robotic online telescopes to collect and analyze space phenomena to complete the curriculum-aligned gamified quests that teach them specific aspects of astronomy, science, social sciences, history, art and other STEAM topics. In high school astronomy and higher education quests, students learn core concepts and follow in the footsteps of famous discoverers before using advanced telescope features to pursue their investigations. So how do quests work? This is the teacher's view of the phases of the Moon Quest for middle school, but we have quests for elementary through higher education. You'll find basic information about the quest, including objectives and standards addressed. Most quests have a series of parts, each with a series of steps. Each part is supported by robust teacher resources that offer additional classroom planning and engagement support, including class discussion topics, hands-on activities, and opportunities for differentiation. Students work through each interactive step. Each quest has a data collection module where students select or capture their images. If they already have the necessary images, they'll appear for selection. If not, they'll be prompted to schedule a mission to capture the necessary images. Student learning is supported by formative assessment, multiple choice, short answer, and simple activities to help students check their understanding along the way. Students demonstrate mastery of the content by creating custom posters to present their work to their classmates. They also benefit from new features such as creating time-lapse animations, adding overlays, and fully personalizing their Quest infographic posters. Educators can create multiple workspaces for their classes. It's where they manage their students, and they're the hub for class activity. Educators can assign quests and learning progressions from their workspaces and monitor student quest progress. For students, workspaces are where they share observations with classmates and discuss topics related to their studies, fostering collaboration and a bit of competition. All students can watch the live telescope feeds from Slooh's network of mountaintop telescopes. They can snap images from any live view. These are saved to their Photos area and available for use in their quests. Students can join any telescope mission scheduled by others. The resulting images and data are automatically saved for them. Students can schedule their own missions using the Slooh 1000 method. They select the object type, then the object, they preview and confirm the mission. It's as simple as that. High school astronomy and higher education students can schedule advanced missions, which gives them greater control over the telescope, date, time, object, astronomical catalogue, or even coordinates for their mission. That's it for this quick tour of Slooh. You can learn more on our website, including case studies, curriculum information, purchase options, and requesting a quote. And if you need further information, you can contact us at education@slooh.com.